No! Ooh, that's actually a nice one. That's a really nice one. Come on. Get your head started. Look at that fish.
Just landed.
Oh man. What the heck? Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Dad and I are out fishing on a lake trout lake today, and we're hoping to catch some decent ones. We might keep a couple if we get into some nice eating size fish, but gonna probably do mostly catch and release today. It's really cold out, so we're gonna try and not play too much with the fish, get them back as quick as possible. But first I guess we gotta catch some, so hopefully we can do that, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, fish on. Seems like a little guy. There he is. Little laker. Look at that, just on the back of the stinger hook. Take my gloves off for a sec. So got the chartreuse swim bait. First time catching a laker on it. Been fishing for what, 5-10 minutes maybe?
Yeah, probably 10.
First fish of the day. Beautiful little laker. Got some nice colors on him. A little bit of orange on the fins there. A little bit small to keep, so we'll get him back. There you go, buddy. Chartreuse swim bait. How's it feel?
Doesn't seem overly good.
Oh, that's a cute one. Oh, he just got off.
Fish on, Brady.
You got one? I just had a hit too. That looks like a decent one, eh?
Oh yeah, he's fighting good. He's landed.
Oh man. What the heck?
Oh, he's pulling some good drag there.
Oh yeah, sure is. Oh, that looks like a really good one.
Saw him about 3 or 4 feet off the bottom, so I just started winding up, and he's crashed it.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I just had a hit there, and then you hooked this good one.
I can't tell how deep he is.
Yeah, I know.
Uh-oh.
There. It was just your leader. Oh, I heard a burp. That is a beauty. Wow. Look at the nice colors on that one.
Dark, eh?
Really dark. Wow. It's all wrapped up.
All wrapped up.
Whew. This is Dad's second one of the day. Got some really nice colors on him. He's pretty dark. Got some really nice pink fins. It's an awesome fish. So we're gonna keep that one. He was hooked kind of bad and all wrapped up, and it's freezing cold out, so he was already kind of freezing up when we were unhooking him. So that'll be a good eating one, and yeah, he fought really hard. Hopefully we can hook in a few more. Yeah. Whew. Yeah. that fish. That is my biggest one of the day. Another really dark laker. Got some sharp teeth on the bugger. Alrighty, time to go back for him. Another gorgeous dark one. There he goes. I think that's what our...
A good fight.
Oh yeah. And that guy was on the pink PK spoon. Just changed up not too long ago. Yeah. So it is super cold out, as you can tell. My mitt is frozen solid. We've been trying to get these fish back as quick as possible, the ones that we're releasing. It's about lunchtime. I think Dad just started over there building a fire, so we're gonna have some lunch. Just had a couple bites here. I missed one on the still line, as you guys saw. So yeah, we've had a good morning. Had the one that we kept, which was a really nice fish. Another couple that we released were nice too. And yeah, hopefully this afternoon we can get on another bite. So aggressive here. Gonna drop it back down. See if he'll chase it past him. Come on. I think he has it. Yeah. Oh my goodness, that was so cool. Doesn't feel too big, but it's a nice one. Oh yeah, that is a nice one. Super, super aggressive. Look at that fish. He just smoked it. He hit the first time when I wasn't looking. He chased it absolutely everywhere. Alrighty, that's another gorgeous laker. We'll get him back. His mouth is bleeding a little bit, but I didn't get him in the gills, so it'll be good to go. Oh. Alrighty, turn around, buddy. There he goes. Holy cow, that one is so aggressive. Another nice fish. Oh man, he hit it too. Yeah, fish on. Feels like not a bad one actually. Well, maybe not too big. Oh, he's not bad. Ooh, that's actually a nice one. That's a really nice one. Come on, get your head started. Look at that fish. Look at that beauty. Super nice colors. Look at those scars on him. Yeah. He's been in a couple little fights. That's another beauty. He fought pretty hard right at the end there, but I didn't think he was going to be quite this big. Another really dark beauty. Get him back down. What a gorgeous fish. There he goes. Sweet. About 5 minutes after the other one. This is the setup I've been using. I usually put half a minnow on, but this minnow was tiny, so I just put the full minnow on. But this is a PK lure spoon. Pink has been working good, so we're gonna stick with that. Got one. Got one. Fish on. No! I just lost him. I didn't get a good hook set on him. Oh, the line was wrapping up around here. Nah, I didn't get to see him. Oh, that sucks. The line was wrapping around my rod. Yeah. Hopefully we can land this one. I didn't get a great hook set on him either, but he feels not too bad. He just got off again. I'm not getting good hook sets on him, and my line's all tangled. See? So I just missed 2 fish. They felt not too bad, but my line was all frozen and it was getting all tangled up, so yeah, disappointing, but yeah, hopefully we can catch some more. He's coming back, he's coming back. Yeah. That time I gave him a good hook set, so hopefully he doesn't. My spool's all mangled. He's a nice little guy. Look at how he choked that spoon. He really wanted that. Oh, okay. That's another nice one. Just missed a couple. So gorgeous pink fins on this one too. A bit of a lighter one, but nice fish, and get him back. Beauty. Alrighty, so having a bit of line issues here. Everything's freezing up, so I might have to go unthaw it. That one I had to hand line a bit in because right here all the line was freezing there and I couldn't reel in anymore, so we're gonna try and unthaw it, and hopefully no more mishaps happen. We're gonna try and unthaw this without the line birdied. Hopefully it'll work. I'm gonna get smoked. No way. Oh, no way. I think I lost my minnow. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Finally. He seems bigger than I thought it was. There he is. He's actually not a bad fish at all. Definitely not our biggest of the day, but another one on the pink spoon. There we go. Look at the cool pink on him. Alrighty, there's another fish. He's got some cool colors right here on him. Looks really pretty. That one chased it for a while. He hit it. I missed him once and chased it for a while, and he hit the second time and I finally got him. So another beauty. That's cold.
You still got your little.
Do I?
Oh, right there.
Oh, sweet. Nice. Nah, I got another one. Yeah, there we go. We're literally about a minute after the last one. Can you pull up the... Thank you. Oh, I thought he got off. What the heck's going on here? There. Holy cow, they all look the same. This one's maybe a little smaller than the last though. So this is I don't know, probably my 6th, 7th one of the day, at least now. Whew, there he goes.
Don't get stuck in between the layers, too.
No. So I've got about 6 or 7 marks in about mid-column here, and there's probably a school of bait fish or some Cisco, and you know you're in the right spot when there's lake trout feed there. So lake trout will be coming through. They'll be feeding on all these bait fish. So when there's bait fish in the area, usually there'll be those predator fish in the area coming to feed on the schools of fish. So we've been seeing that a couple times throughout the day, and we've been catching tons of lakers.
After I let my line... Oh, you got a fish on. I like this hole.
Nice. Dad was just chirping this hole, saying it was no good, and now he's hooked up. So
he's fighting now.
Maybe another good one. Getting to the leader. I saw him.
He's getting really excited now that he saw the ice.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's a feisty guy.
It is.
Dad just changed up spoons. He put on a PK like mine, but blue color. There he goes. Whew. That's another.
It's got a good color too. Not
yeah.
quite as dark as some of the other ones, but
Yeah, that's a really nice fish.
yeah.
He's actually a pretty light one compared to the other ones.
Yeah.
Another beauty, Dad.
He is a beauty. Okay, here he goes. Live another day.
Nice. Good stuff. It's slimy now. Alrighty guys, so the lake trout shut down pretty early today. We haven't had a bite in quite a while, but we did have a pretty fun day. Caught lots of nice ones. The one that we kept was really nice fish. Gonna have a really good meal out of it. So our best depth today was in the 40-foot range. We had a couple bites in low 30s, but 40 has been definitely our best depth for today. So yeah, like I said, the fish haven't been biting in quite a while. We've been marking them, but they kind of shut off. They haven't been chasing. They haven't been hungry. So it's getting pretty late out anyway, so we're gonna head back home, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to go down below, like the video, subscribe, comment, and go check out the link if you want to get a nice looking hoodie. And thank you guys so much for all the support, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you.